So I decided to get myself a power bank, but then people were comparing this ELEC to one Oraimo like that, Oraimo power bank. So I decided to get this because the reviews about this power bank was quite impressive. So I decided to get this. The name is ELEC. This is 20,000 MAH. You can see it. I just unboxed it. I've used it to charge my microphone and my mini YouTube microphone here. This is how it looks like. So it's fully charged. Two of the microphones are fully charged now. You can see. And then I've used it to charge my Oraimo AirPods here, and I've used it to charge this mobile phone, which is 3,500 mAh, and then only one bar left. So I have 3 remaining. This is very, very solid because charging my AirPods fully, microphone fully, and then this mobile phone fully, and I still have 3 bars left. That means it's very, very strong. So I like what I'm seeing. The packaging is very, very nice. It came wrapped in this, and then in this tray, and then it came with this charger. So you get this cord. There's a type C here, so you can actually charge it with a type C. You just have to get an adapter, and then you plug in the type C. You can charge it with Android as well. And it came with this manual, this small manual here. So you can see here, super smart, mobile power. This something small, nothing complicated. It's very, very easy to use. So that's it on the ELEC. So if you are planning on getting one, I'm going to recommend this for you because it's very, very powerful. That's why I'm making this video. It's very, very powerful. It's very, very strong, and it's very, very heavy as well. It looks slim, but it's very, very heavy, and you can see here. So that's it for this video. That's it for the ELEC 20,000 mAh. So let's take this video as a review, like a thank you review. So if you are planning on getting one, or you've seen it online and you are comparing it to Oraimo, I'm going to say you can go for it, because myself, I have an Oraimo AirPod here. You can go for it. I don't hate Oraimo, but you can go for this. If you like Oraimo too, you can try it out. But then for me, I choose this. So that's it for the video. Kindly do all to like and then subscribe to my channel. Yeah, peace.